guys, ito naman yung cotton. Ano nga yun? Ano? Cotton?
Top Tamarin.
Cotton top tamarin. Ang cute!
Cotton Top Tamarin.
Para saan yung ano?
Ang cute!
Kaldero.
Eating carrots.
Laro-laro.
Pero play nila, yung tumutunog. And meron pa din na nililinis. So harmless yan sila, no?
Sa Colombia na.
Eating up their food.
Sa Colombia ito nag-originate?
Oo.
Ano ginagawa ng tao doon? Dilinis.
Linis ng mga poops siguro. Mga poops.
Ang lifespan niya 13 years in the wild, 25 in captivity.
Ayun,
Mas
no?
mahaba pala buhay nila pag captivity.
Oo, hindi sila makatak.
Ng mga ano, malalaki sa kanila.
Yung
Ito na guys, 3 minutes nandun na tayo sa National Zoo and Aquarium, Canberra. Ang ganda rin ng scenery dito. Papunta doon. Ayun, oh. Ang ganda niya siguro pag nag-spring, tsaka siguro autumn. Dito. Pero masarap bumalik dito ng autumn. Ang ganda. 2 minutes na lang guys. Dito na tayo. Ayan.
yun na pa no?
Ang ganda nga. Trail, no?
Train na simple.
Oo, parang flat. Nakasimento pa nga. Ayan.
Semento lang.
Diba? Nakasimento.
Road vibe.
Oo. May dam din pala sila dito. Pero maliit lang.
Saan na?
Ay, diretso lang. Ito kako yung dam nila. Pero maliit lang. Hindi katulad sa yung dam.
Ayun na.
Oo, ayun.
In 300 meters, use the left lane to turn left.
Ayun na. Malaki
Then
pala.
turn left.
Asa? Ayan na. We're in the zoo. National Zoo and Aquarium. Yes.
Turn left. Then turn left.
Ayan na guys. Oh. We're here.
Turn left.
Ayan na tayo. Hanggang 5 pala to. So, bukas siya. Sarado lang siya pag Christmas. Gifts. Ayan. No dogs, no
Keep right.
drones.
Destination is on your right.
Just park here.
Yeah.
Ba't may ganun?
May Tesla eh. Tesla ka ba?
Bingo.
Jamal.
Nakapark yung Outlander.
Jamala.
Jamala.
So girl.
Ay, malapit na lang.
Yeah.
Marami naman.
The animals were up.
Dito. Pwede na?
May mga ATV yun, no?
Dito na, no?
Ah.
Pwede na yan.
Ayan na guys. Nakapag-park na tayo. So, papasok na tayo sa
Tayo ba?
zoo. Nakapag-park na tayo dyan. And pupunta na tayo sa zoo entrance. This way guys. Pasok na tayo. Guys! Hi! Hi everyone!
Arigato! Arigato!
Pasok na tayo. Ito na guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa loob. So yung bali binayaran namin is family for 4. So binayaran natin $100.52. So ayan na, let's start. Show the map kuya.
Bimbo.
Ayan, let's start. Let's start.
Bimbo.
Okay, halika na.
Isang bamboo.
Adventure Trail. Start from 45 to 63.
Don't go this way.
Then 1 to 44.
No directional signage.
Oh, don't go this way. In the other direction. May mga guide guys. Kung saan tayo mag-i-start.
Yun na pala eh.
First animal.
Guys, ito, hyena yan. Oh my God. That's a hyena, guys. That's a hyena. Oh my God, guys. Hyena yan.
Parang gusto ka na kainin.
Oo. Hyena yan, guys. Tingnan nyo. Gusto na tayong kainin. Di ba? Gusto na tayo. Oh, that's right. That's time for food. Oh my God. Time for food. It's a big chunk.
Good boy. See, like around his belly, he's a lot older. The one that went all the way over there is Saka. He has the prettiest markings. That's how much we can tell. And then these two are hard to tell. If you look on front of them, Haraka has scars on his face and like a bigger head, and Akita has a more narrow face. But from here, those two are quite hard. But I think that would be Akita because he has more brown, and that would be Haraka. But that's just the other two easy.
Naman yung cheetah, oh. Yan naman yung cheetah.
Matulog.
Afternoon nap. Tiger. Hello. Hello there. Tago ka ha. Nakita ka namin.
It's big one.
Tulog yung koala. Hindi natin makita yung face niyo. Sleep siya. Ayan guys, nag-wake up na siya. So cute. Baking koala. Oh my God, that's so cute. Go. Going to eat. Going to eat. Yeah. Hello. Hello, cutie. So cute, isn't it?
Come have a look from here. Push, push, push. Vanessa, it's a drop there.
Yes, it is. Oh my, it's stuck. He's stuck.
Oh. Upside down.
They're so cute.
Yeah. No. Well, he's doing yoga. Sleeping yoga. I don't know. We can get out. There's other ones. This one I think this is baby.
Ang cute niya, guys. Oh, watch out your eyes, koala. You may poke your eyes. Watch out.
When he was little, he was running around.
Ang cute niya. Sobrang cute niya, guys. Oh. It's so cute.
Oh, that's a cute one. It's moving to the right. That one's cute. It looks like a stuffed toy.
Well, because he's sitting out here. If he was a baby,
Yeah. Guys, so dyan lang siya. Baby penguin! Hello! Hello, baby penguin! Aww, that's so cute.
Tingnan na lang yung guhit, no?
Guys, Guys, tulog yung layo, nagpapahinga. Ito yung mag-asawa din. Ayan. Gising yung babae, lalaki tulog. Yung layon. Ayun o. Tulog yun. Hello! Ito yung tawag nila, common marmoset, guys. Oh, cute! That's so cute! That's not food! Ang cute to! Ang tiny lang yan, guys. Very tiny. Small lang yan eh. Oh? Hello? Oh, saan na ba? Ayan guys, ito naman yung Bolivian squirrel monkey. Ayan o. Cute! Natural color niya, ang ganda. Yellow, black. Ayan siya o. Ayan. Ganyan siya kalayaw guys. Pero yan. Cute! Nandito na tayo guys sa aquarium. Here. It's a touch. Touch gently. Touch gently. Ooh. Ayan guys, so rhinoceros iguana daw. Ayan, nag-open yung eyes. Oh dear, it's moving. It's moving. It's moving. You make a show, ha? Gagawa ka ng eksena, ha? Gumalaw ka bigla, ha? Guys, ito naman yung barang mo. Meron din tayo niyan sa Pilipinas. Ayan o. Kulay blue. Anong name? Hamhead. Guys, meron tayo niyan sa Philippines.
Look natin yan. Sa Pacific Ocean.
Sa Pacific Ocean. Oh my God, that's so big. Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Go to the touch. Can we go to the touch again?
Can I eat that?
No,
Can we touch it? Can we go?
ayan guys, ano naman yan? Tree kangaroo. Ayan. Ang cute. That is tree kangaroo guys. Tulog siya. Ayan. Ayan na guys, nandito naman tayo sa giraffe at mga zebra.
I wish it's blackberry so we can eat the give their food.
Yeah, here is not allowed. See, you read that.
Don't feed me please. I am on the special diet.
Di ba giraffe? Anong hayop yung maliit yan na gala-gala? Ayun o. Ano hayop?
Oh yeah, rabbit! It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit.
Saan?
There, outside the bench.
Wala yung wildlands. Para matatanda, walang ngipin.
Ostrich. Hello, ostrich. Good afternoon. Oh guys, ito naman yung watapi. Originally, sa ano to? Canada. Laki. Ayan guys, papasok tayo sa loob. Pero kailangan muna nating mag-sanitize. Ayan. Ayan naman guys, yung kangaroo. Wallaby lang ata yan. Ayan. Actually, may harang. Ganyan lang yung harang guys. So. Bawal ka nang pumunta dyan sa beyond the roof. The roof. Ganyan lang. Yan, nandyan lang sila. Oh. Meron din ditong alligator, guys. Yan. Yan, guys. Ito naman yung wombat. Yan yung mga usually tumatawid sa sa mga highway na sasagasaan. Ang laki. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki. Yan. Ganyan lang yung size niya. Taba lang. Yan, oh. Ang cute. Guys, nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Canberra Beijing Garden. So, ayan. Ito tayo dyan. Ang lamig ah. Ano bang temperature? 14, pero yung hangin. Yan. Malamig. Ayan. Ayan. Baba tayo dito. Ayan. Ganda siguro dito sa spring kasi magbo-bloom na yung mga I don't know kung anong tree yan. Parang, ayan o. Parang may mga flowers siya o. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong flowers yan. So, ayan. Hi, Janessa. What are you doing? Dancing? Time check na tayo, guys. It's... What time is it? What time is it? Ano bang oras na? 4:45, guys. It's 4:45. Where? Ang ganda naman dito. Ang lamig. Yeah. No, you cannot ride.
Why?
You might break it. Get down.
But it's made of metal.
Yeah.
If you want to break it, it's made of metal.
Ang ganda siguro mag-jogging dito, guys, oh. Sa morning.
Look.
What? That's yeah. Ayan, oh, guys. Hindi, ayan, oh. Ano ba to, lake?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. May mga duck doon, guys, oh.
Looks like
There. Maambon-ambon pa.
our shoes still look clean.
Yeah, there's a dirt on it.
You have a dirt.
You! What's that? I need to clean up later.
Selfie tayo dito.
Saan? Sa lake?
Oo.
Sige.
Sat?
It's cold? How's the water?
Wait, what's this?
What?
Oh,
This one. Show you. Wow. This one, oh. Hindi tayo.
Ano kaya doon, guys? Oh? Ano yung kainan? Hindi mabasa from here eh.
nice.
Saan? Dyan? Ayan, guys. Ang gandang bumalik dito sa, sa spring. Kasi sakura tree to, nag-start na siyang mag-bloom. Yan. Ayan naman, guys, yung Hyatt Hotel.